We're here at the 2018 Ford Focus that you just bought. If you ever get this symbol, we want to tell you exactly what you should do. I got my buddy Craig here, the service advisor at Mossy Ford, is going to show us exactly what we should do. Craig?
Okay, so the first most important thing about tire pressure is to find where the correct tire pressure is for the vehicle. On the driver door of all vehicles, we have what you call a tire placard sticker, and that sticker will show you exactly the tire pressure that your vehicle needs.
So once we know what the tire pressure is from the sticker on the car, what's our next step, Craig?
Next step would be to come down to the tire here. Quick note, all tire manufacturers put a max tire pressure on the outside of the tire. That is not for the consumer, that's strictly for the technician. So always revert back to what our tire placard says. Once we know what tire pressure is supposed to be set at, we could go ahead and unscrew this valve cap, insert this tire gauge, this end down, push it hard, and it will register the tire pressure. This vehicle is at 35 PSI, and that's what we're rated at, so this tire is good.
What if it is low? What would be the next step?
If it's low, you can always get air at any gas station. If not, you can always come down to your local Ford dealership and we'll go ahead and put air in for no charge.